Most people think you need expensive software to manage projects properly. But the truth is you can manage your entire workflow using ClickUp Free Plan if you set it up the right way. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use ClickUp Free Plan for project management so you can track tasks, deadlines, and progress without paying for multiple tools. Now here's what we'll be covering in this video. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up ClickUp for project management, organize projects and tasks clearly, and track progress without feeling overwhelmed. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to the ClickUp homepage. From here, you're going to tap on Get Started. It's free, and you'll be able to sign up using your email address and basic information. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And before setting anything up, there are a few things that I want you to understand. So first, when it comes on to ClickUp, it is quite straightforward and simple. So if you were to go over to the top left hand corner, you're going to tap on Open Sidebar. After you have selected Open Sidebar, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. First, this is your workspace overall. So my workspace is called Project Management. You can give your workspace a name, and the workspace would be all of your projects. After creating your workspace, what I want you to do next, you're going to see the option Spaces. And the Spaces is basically the categories of your projects. And then we have Lists. And lists are individual projects. And then inside those lists, you'll have tasks. And tasks are basically the steps within the project. For project management, each project will live inside a list. For example, if I were to tap on Website Redesign, after selecting Website Redesign, you can see right here the different tasks that I have. So I have Design Homepage, and I have a different task right here that is untitled. So this is an example of how it will look. Now the first thing I want you to do is create a project management space. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and in line with spaces, you're going to tap on the plus. Then you're going to see the option Create a Space, and you can give your space the name Projects. So you could type in Projects right here. After you have typed in project, it is now time to list the different projects. So for example's sake, let's say we were to add website redesign. You can see right there, to add the different projects, you will simply tap on the plus. After you have tapped on the plus, you're going to tap on list, and this is where you'll be able to create the different projects. So for example, let's say I were to create a new project, and this project will be called client project. So I'll type in client project right here, for example. And we are just going to tap on create. After you have selected create, you can see that it has been added on the left hand column just like that. And this keeps every project separated and easy to manage. So now that you have created your projects, as you can see right here, and you have created your list, the next thing you're going to be doing is creating different tasks. So for example, let's say we were to tap on client project. After you have selected client project, from here you will be able to add a task. So for example, let's say the task will be to set up ads. So I'll type in set up ads, then tap on enter, and you can see that the task has been added. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto ClickUp is, if I were to tap on the task right here, you'll be able to add deadlines. So for example, you can tap here where you see start and due, and you can select the date that you would like to start. So let's say, for example, I'll be starting next week, Monday. After doing that, you can also set the due date. So you can see right there, the start date will be Monday. And then you can select the due date, and you can also select whether it will be recurring or not. And you can tap right here. So I'll select the start date. So let's say, for example, start date will be tomorrow. So tomorrow to Monday, as you can see right there. And you can also assign it to different team members, and I'll be showing you how to add team members. You'll also be able to choose the priority. So if it is a case that it is urgent, you can select urgent, high priority, or normal. You can select the option. You could also use the time tracker if you want, that is available in ClickUp. By tapping right here, you'll be able to activate the time tracker. And scrolling down, you can also add subtasks if you want, checklists, and also attachments. So you're given numerous options. Now we're going to close out of this, and the next thing I want you to do is you're going to be creating statuses. So if we were to tap right here where you see board and change the view, so we're going to be changing it to the Kanban view, you can see how the status looks. So you have to do, planning, in progress, at risk, update required, on hold, complete, and cancelled. If it is a case that you like to add a new status, you can tap on add group, and you could give your status a name. By creating simple statuses, all you need to do is simply move your projects across. So for example, I can move it from to do to planning. Then once we have begun, we can tap on in progress. And just like that, you'll be able to move your projects through the different phases. It's quite easy to do. Now, after setting up the different statuses and your deadline, you can use different views. So you have the board view, which would give you the Kanban view. You also have the list view option, so you can tap on this right there. You can also tap on Gantt, and you have the Gantt view. If you would like to use that option, you can do that. So you have different options that you can choose from, but I prefer to use the Kanban board style, so I'll select the board right here. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto ClickUp, you can use the dashboard to track everything. So to manage multiple projects, all you need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on dashboard, and from here you'll be able to create a dashboard that will allow you to see the tasks due today, overdue tasks, and tasks in progress. So to create a dashboard, you'll go to the top right-hand corner, and you can tap on new dashboard. After you have selected new dashboard, we could select project management, for example. Then after you have selected project management, from there you could use the free trial option. So you have different options that you can choose from, or you can choose start from scratch. So you can create a dashboard just like that. So instead of checking each project manually, you'll be able to view it on the dashboard. Now, to use ClickUp Free Plan efficiently, what I recommend you do is avoid overcomplicating your setup. Also, creating too many spaces and ignoring task organization. Simple systems work best. If you want to set this up for your projects, ClickUp has a free plan you can start with. I've linked it below so you can follow along. And this is how you use ClickUp Free Plan for project management. Simple, structured, and effective. You don't need expensive tools. You just need a system that works. If you want to try it out, check the link below and start managing your projects today. Thanks for watching.